I can't give them more than a 10. I guess I could do a 10 plus.
Okay.
Their workmanship is just the best. And when you look at my floor, it's kind of like an unusual kind of floor. It doesn't have a lot of seams, and it's mahogany wood. And George just came in and said, no problem. Well, we had some water damage.
Okay.
It was kind of this wall here, it kind of came here.
Mm-hmm.
And I talked to Jeff at Newport, Florida.
Yeah.
He says, oh, you gotta use George. He's just the best, and his workers are the best. So Jose, oh my gosh, he's just the best. He really helped me. My husband kind of got involved too, but it's kind of like was my last, you know, the decision was last for me. But he really helped me. Jose really walked me through, you know, should I do this, should I do that? It was a big decision. Really he just did, they were here on time, they worked great. I felt very safe with them in the house, and just would highly recommend them again.
Thank you so much.
Can't say enough.
Thank you.